While we studied our religious literature, believing that they contained the true words of God that will protect us, white oppressive forces studied instead how to hijack the group minds of targeted populations by exploiting their monopoly over information that their targets receive. They then used that gained knowledge to mentally enslave millions of black people. Our studies limited to religions have left many of us too far behind intellectually to understand the sophisticated methods of mind control that are presently being used against us. Therefore, we are easy victims for those who have thoroughly studied how the mind works and how to manipulate it. There are 4 ways to effectively manipulate the human brain in order to brainwash an entire generation of people. By what they are taught, by what they see, by what they hear, and through repetition. Because the white society controls the education that we are taught, the media image that we see, and the narratives that we repetitively receive, they've exploited these combined factors to brainwash millions of black people to think in ways that are against our own self-interest and that instead serves and protects the interests of their white society. It's the true reason why many black people are now self-loathing, perceives ourselves as being our own worst enemies, and reveres and defends our evil and racist oppressors in spite of such a brutally horrific history of the contrary. We were deliberately socially engineered to think in ways that are beneficial to the white societies. It's always by deliberate design whenever the oppressed population starts thinking exactly as the oppressors wants them to do so. And whenever those of us who knows this truth tries teaching it to the black masses, we get significant pushback from the ignorant ones that are insisting that the problem is caused by the silly slave syndrome myth. Our collective condition has nothing to do with a silly slave syndrome myth. We must gain a clear, concise, and accurate understanding of our plight and condition in order to liberate ourselves. Because if our understandings of our plight and conditions remains flawed, then all of our liberating strategies and remedies that stem from those flawed understandings will also be flawed. However, they've got our people so mentally enslaved that whenever we try to